wicked.
We are sitting in a dark room.
Is that on the video?
The room is dark.
Did you Kelly? Wait, how do I look on this video?
Not good.
Thanks, Amanda. Wait, can I do that?
We both look bad.
Hey! This lighting sucks.
We're watching the lightning next to a window, and apparently you're not supposed to do that.
And like make a bump with your.
Oh well.
You can smell like lightning.
And we just missed stones. I'm gonna turn around. This is really close to me, and the light is really bright. It's pretty bad. Okay, bye.
I'm not gonna get it.
Oh, you could see in the video.
Yes, you could. Liar.
We'll watch it after. You can see the light coming from my camera on the mirror.
It's a black tumbler.
No, right? Like I'm made of glass.
No.
Like I'm made of paper. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. Oh my god!
That definitely started a fire. That definitely freaking started a fire. Did you get that on the video? Did you get that on the video?
Yeah, it's on the video.
That was the sickest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Come here. What?
No. Watch.
You can sit on my lap.
You keep seeing.
Stand back here.
You keep seeing like actual like you can see the lightning really good.
One got like really close to the ground. Now I think it definitely struck something. It definitely struck a tree.
It's dinner time.
Okay, we'll be right up.
Get up!
We're washing our hands.
No, get up now!
How do you wash my hands?
Wait, I just want to get like.
Amanda!
Jake, wait. She can go upstairs. Then.
No, because someone was just yelling at her because it's dinner time. Because she asked her to get you.
Okay, we'll be right up. We just want to see one more.
I just saw another one. Now let's
No, we want to see an actual strike, not just a light point.
You already saw a strike. Now move it. I'm scared.
Hey,
Jake.
She's 8 years old and she's scared.
Okay, then you and her can go
No, but I
upstairs.
just yelled at her to get you guys.
Okay, tell her we're coming.
No, come back.
Jake, just wait 2 seconds.
Amanda, when someone else is making you dinner, you don't make them wait for you.
Oh my god, Jake, stop PMSing.
See your friends. The rest of your life, Amanda.
That's cool.